Welcome to our SpiralPOS tutorial videos. Today we will go through the SpiralPOS e-commerce integration feature. There are three types of integration options. The first one is party booking flow, the second one is ticket booking flow, and the third one is WooCommerce shopping cart integration. We will go through all three options in today's video. Starting with the party booking flow, SpiralPOS offers the integration via Wordpress plugin. The WordPress party plugin can be installed on any standard WordPress site. For activity centers who have an existing WordPress website, this plugin will add the party booking feature, which can be navigated from any landing page. For example, a Book Now button on a home page will take a user to a party booking page where they can choose the package and complete the booking and process the payment. The Party plugin fetches the configuration information from Spiral Portal. All session management, food selection, capacity parameters, and prices are defined in the backend. We have a comprehensive set of options to suit your business requirements. Once this information is configured, it is immediately available on the WordPress website. When a customer selects a package, it starts the booking process. The booking process contains 5 steps. The first step will collect participant and party date information. The second step will gather customer and guest of honor details. The third step offers the customer to select party food and extras. And the last step displays the full summary and process of the payment. When collecting participant information, we can define minimum and maximum participant count. The prices are calculated based on the number of children. Once we have selected the date, the party session drop-down is refreshed and it will show the available session slots. If a session is booked out or not available, it will be grayed out and will not be available for selection. The booking process offers both continue and back options. A user is able to navigate back and forth during the booking process. The second step will gather guest of honor or birthday child information. If there are more than one birthday child, this can also be added. You will notice that we have a countdown timer for the booking process. By default, it is set to 15 minutes, however it can be adjusted. The reason we have a booking timer is because during this time we reserve party sessions selected by the customer, so no one else can book at the same time. If a customer does not complete the booking or leave the website, we auto-release the party session, so it will be available for other customers. The food information is also configured in the Spiral backend. The food selection can be divided into different categories, for example, snacks, drinks, and extras. Each section may contain one or more items for selections. It is worth mentioning that the configuration allows for food to be included in the package price, so a customer is not charged when picking a food option, or alternatively, a food category can be configured as an extra, and customers will be charged on top of the base package price. The last step of the booking process allows the user to enter a discount code or gift voucher code. We will cover discount and gift voucher features in another video. This screen also displays the full summary of party and food options and calculates the full invoice amount. The customer can choose to pay a deposit or the full invoice amount. The deposit amount is configurable and can be adjusted. When a customer clicks the Pay Now button, we will show a pop-up to enter credit card information and process the payment. At this stage, we integrate with Stripe Payment Gateway. When a customer enters their credit card and contact details, the payment is processed by the Stripe Payment Gateway, and if you have configured Stripe to settle the amount into your bank account, it will be processed as per your settings. After successfully processing the payment, we will navigate to the complete page where we will display transaction number and additional information for the customer. For example, we could advise the customer to complete an online waiver. We will also send the booking information to the Spiral backend for processing. If a customer has paid a deposit, the transaction will show the deposit amount, and we can process additional payments by editing the transaction. We can also see a schedule where we can see all party bookings in the next month, week, or daily. You can drill down, click on a party, and see the details of that party. The difference between party booking and ticket booking workflow is that a party will usually have food options where a ticket does not. So if we click on a WordPress website with ticket booking, we go through the booking workflow. For example, a user can choose between passes, adult passes, children's passes, and a group ticket. Once we select the package, and we can have multiple packages, we can define how many passes for each of the ticket type. We provide the date and time option and proceed to the next screen. Please note that a user can purchase multiple tickets in a single transaction. When a date is selected, the available time slots are refreshed, and if a time slot is not available, it will be grayed out and is not available for selection. We go through and enter the details. This information is used for billing purposes. It is worth mentioning that the participant information is processed after the purchase, and the customer who is purchasing the ticket may or may not be a part of the participant list. The confirmation screen displays the transaction summary, and we can also offer additional add-ons. For example, a weather insurance for an outdoor activity. If a user selects yes, we can include it in the transaction total. The customer can select the Pay Now button and process the payment. Once the payment is processed successfully, the transaction is sent to the backend and the customer sees the successful page and the ticket is processed. The Stripe payment gateway needs to be linked to your bank account, so when the payment is processed, the amount is automatically sent to your bank account. In addition to displaying the success page, we can also send an invoice email to the customer as a proof of purchase. We have set up a demo IT store. This is a standard WordPress website. Customers can view and add products to the cart as normal. The rest of the checkout operations are performed as usual. For example, the stock is validated when adding to the cart, or products can be added or removed from the cart as per the usual WooCommerce cart feature. When the order is processed, the information is saved in WordPress, as well as a copy of the order is posted to the Spiral backend for processing. Spiral backend has a full list of inventory and a number of attributes against each inventory. This information is pulled by the WordPress plugin periodically. Before finishing off the video, I would like to highlight a couple of points. Both party and ticket booking plugins can be installed as part of your current website, so you don't have to pay additional hosting charges. Or alternatively, it can be hosted as a separate subdomain. This option will incur additional hosting charges. With regards to customization, some of the cosmetic changes are part of the setup cost. However, if you would like additional customization, please let us know and we will provide you with a quote. Thank you for watching.